Welcome to Self-Care.Girlies.
Hello, beautiful souls. As the temperatures rise and the days get longer, it's crucial to adjust our skincare routines to keep our skin healthy and glowing all summer long. In today's video, I'll be sharing my top summer skincare tips to help you beat the heat and stay fresh through affordable and natural ways. Let's dive into a complete skincare routine that's gentle, effective, and easily accessible. First, let's start with cleansing. A clean face is the foundation of healthy skin. You can create a gentle cleanser using natural ingredients right from your kitchen. Mix a tablespoon of honey with a tablespoon of oatmeal. Honey is a natural humectant, drawing moisture into the skin, while oatmeal gently exfoliates and soothes. Apply this mixture to your face, gently massaging in circular motions. Rinse with lukewarm water, and pat your face dry with a soft towel. Next, we have toning. Toning helps to balance your skin's pH and tighten pores. Green tea is an excellent natural toner. Brew a cup of green tea, let it cool, and transfer it to a spray bottle. You can also use rose water or cucumber juice as refreshing alternatives. Spritz the toner onto your face and let it air dry. Your skin will feel refreshed and revitalized. Moisturizing is crucial for maintaining soft and supple skin. Aloe vera gel is a fantastic natural moisturizer, suitable for all skin types. You can also use lightweight oils like jojoba or coconut oil. By the way, jojoba oil and coconut oil are both exceptional for skincare. Offering a range of benefits, jojoba oil is highly moisturizing and mimics the skin's natural sebum, making it suitable for all skin types without clogging pores. Additionally, jojoba oil aids in improved skin elasticity, reducing fine lines and wrinkles, and improves skin elasticity. Coconut oil, known for its deep moisturizing abilities, is rich in lauric acid, providing antibacterial and antifungal benefits. It soothes inflammation, promotes wound healing, and offers antioxidant protection, helping to maintain youthful skin. Both oils are versatile and enhance skin health. These oils can also be added to DIY face masks or body scrubs for added benefits, while coconut oil can be used as natural makeup remover. Take a small amount of aloe vera gel and apply it to your face, massaging it in with upward strokes. This helps to lock in moisture and keep your skin hydrated, and when your skin is properly hydrated and moisturized, it has a better chance of looking naturally dewy and glowy. Many people strive for the natural glow that supple skin comes with, and aloe vera gel can help you achieve this. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells and promotes cell renewal. A simple homemade scrub can work wonders. Mix a tablespoon of sugar with a tablespoon of olive oil or coffee grounds. Gently scrub your face with this mixture once or twice a week. This will leave your skin smooth and radiant. Finally, let's talk about face masks. Avocado, honey, and turmeric can create a nourishing and brightening mask. Mash half an avocado, mix in a teaspoon of honey, and a pinch of turmeric. Apply this mask to your face and leave it on for about 15 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water for a healthy glow. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Healthy diet. Incorporate fresh fruits and vegetables into your diet. Foods rich in antioxidants like berries and leafy greens can help protect your skin from damage. Exercise. Regular physical activity promotes circulation and helps maintain healthy skin. Avoid over-exfoliating. While exfoliating can help remove dead skin cells, overdoing it can damage your skin's barrier. Limit exfoliation to once or twice a week. Wear protective clothing. When possible, wear hats, sunglasses, and protective clothing to shield your skin from direct sunlight. Remember, taking care of your skin doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With these natural remedies, you can achieve healthy, glowing skin easily. Thank you for joining us on this journey to healthier, glowing skin. Also, consistency is key, and taking time for self-care is an investment in your well-being. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. Take care and stay beautiful.